Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, built an empire with his impressive investing talents. Known for his timeless principles, he has guided numerous investors towards financial prosperity. In this video, we'll unravel 7 invaluable lessons gleaned from Buffett's legendary career. The first and most important lesson from Buffett is this: invest in what you understand. It is important to take note of this advice as it comes from one of the richest people on the planet. His advice is to stay away from investing in complex financial instruments or fields in which you are not well versed. He cautions against making rash investments in fields or sophisticated financial products that you don't completely understand. Lesson 2: patience is a virtue. Warren Buffett is a resolute proponent of long-term investment strategies. Having earned his reputation through decades of steady growth in the financial market, he is a firm believer in the power of patience and consistency. His reputation is backed by his famous quote, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Lesson 3: focus on intrinsic value. Buffett's investment philosophy revolves around the concept of intrinsic value. Intrinsic value, in essence, is a measure of what an asset is truly worth, as opposed to its market price. The idea is that the market price of an asset can fluctuate, sometimes wildly, but the intrinsic worth remains relatively stable. This is the cornerstone of Buffett's approach to investing. Rather than chasing trends or getting swept up in market hype, he closely scrutinizes a company's fundamentals and financial health. His keen eye for identifying undervalued companies has often led him to invest in businesses that others overlook. The end goal? To find companies trading at a discount to their intrinsic worth. Lesson 4: protect your capital. Buffett teaches us that it's not just about making profits, but also about safeguarding the wealth you have accumulated. He strongly encourages investors to exercise prudence, to be thoughtful, and to avoid unnecessary risks. Adopting a defensive approach, he advises, can go a long way in ensuring the longevity of your investments. In essence, Buffett advises investors to always seek a margin of safety when buying stocks. Lesson 5: think long-term. Warren Buffett is highly prioritized long-term outlook towards investments. This is one of the hallmark traits that has made him one of the most successful investors in the world. He often emphasizes the importance of being able to wait for the right opportunity. This kind of resilience has enabled him to make the most of his investments, even in the harshest of stock market crashes. Demonstrating his unconventional yet effective investment philosophy, he once humorously stated, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Lesson 6: stay rational in irrational markets. One crucial piece of advice Buffett imparts is the importance of maintaining rationality amidst irrational markets. His advice emphasizes the importance of not getting flustered by the investing masses' behavior, instead keeping calm and composed, making decisions driven by logic rather than hysteria. He famously quipped, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." This saying encapsulates his philosophy that the best investment opportunities often arise when fear is prevalent, and conversely, when greed is rampant, it's time to be cautious. Lesson 7: continuous learning. Warren Buffett is a lifelong learner. He is often characterized by his insatiable thirst for knowledge, constantly seeking out new information. His hunger for knowledge is not without purpose, however. Buffett uses this information, whether it's from books, reports, or discussions, to fine-tune his investment strategy. This remarkable dedication to learning sets him apart. It's an integral aspect of his ethos as an investor, helping him make shrewd, informed decisions. Therefore, Buffett voraciously consumes information to refine his investment strategy. When you are investing, keep these principles in mind. I appreciate your viewing, and please share it on your circle. Stay invested and keep learning.